By 2026, AI could replace your job. What will you do? Imagine waking up in 2026 and realizing that artificial intelligence can now do many of the tasks people once spent years learning. Writing emails, analyzing data, designing images, even writing computer code. The question many people are asking today is simple. Will AI take our jobs? Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than almost any technology in history. What once seemed like science fiction is now part of everyday life. AI can write articles, generate art, answer customer questions, diagnose medical conditions, and manage complex systems. And businesses around the world are rapidly adopting these tools because they increase efficiency and reduce costs. But this rapid progress has also created fear. Many workers worry that AI will replace them completely. However, the reality is more complex. Instead of simply replacing humans, AI is more likely to transform how we work. Some jobs will disappear, but many new roles will also emerge. The biggest changes will happen in jobs that involve repetitive and predictable tasks. For example, data entry clerks, basic customer service agents, telemarketers, and routine administrative roles are particularly vulnerable. AI systems can process large amounts of information instantly and respond to common questions faster than humans. Even industries like content writing, programming, and legal research are starting to see AI tools that assist or automate certain tasks. But here is the important part. Not all jobs are equally at risk. Careers that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex problem solving are much harder to replace. For example, therapists, educators, entrepreneurs, senior engineers, designers, and strategic leaders rely heavily on human judgment and creativity. These are areas where AI still struggles. In many cases, AI will act as a powerful assistant rather than a replacement. Doctors may use AI to analyze medical scans faster. Designers may use AI tools to generate ideas before refining them with their own creativity. Programmers may use AI coding assistants to work more efficiently. This combination of human intelligence and artificial intelligence is often called AI augmentation. Instead of replacing humans, it enhances their abilities. But adapting to this new world will require new skills. The most valuable abilities in the future job market will be adaptability, creativity, critical thinking, and technological literacy. People who learn how to work with AI tools will have a major advantage. In fact, many experts believe that the biggest risk is not AI itself. The biggest risk is refusing to learn how to use it. Just as computers changed the workplace in the past, artificial intelligence will create entirely new industries and opportunities. New roles such as AI trainers, AI ethics specialists, prompt engineers, and automation strategists are already beginning to appear. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It is about humans who understand machines versus humans who do not. So the real question is not whether AI will change the job market, because that change is already happening. The real question is this: are you ready to adapt and grow in the age of artificial intelligence? Because those who learn, adapt, and evolve will not just survive the AI revolution, they will lead it.